So this will be the part 3 of the Nigerian Tax Act 2025, dissecting it for clearer understanding. So we're able to complete the conceptual framework of taxation, giving you a clear understanding of what it is, from the tax policies to the tax legislation to the tax jurisprudence and tax administration, so that you will know where taxes is coming from, why do we have tax, why is it compulsory, and all of that. And this is embedded in the Nigerian Tax Act, bringing all the tax laws as one. So this is part 3 of the Nigerian Tax Act video that we're bringing to you for clearer understanding. So I'll be sharing my video, my screen rather, too. So we are looking at the part 3. So yeah, in this video, we are bringing you the objectives of Nigerian Tax Act. What are the objectives? What do we want to even achieve? Why do we have NTA, right? Not Nigerian Television Authority, but Nigerian Tax Act. So the first objective is, the objective of this act is to provide a unified fiscal legislation governing taxation in Nigeria. Unified, one tax law, one tax act, instead of fragmented, scattered tax law in different places. So which is a good one, Then the second one is, this act applies throughout Nigeria to any person required to comply with any provision of the tax laws, whether personally or on behalf of another person. Anybody that is eligible to pay tax, either personal income tax, company income tax, whatever tax, stamp duty, value added, any tax at all, it is applied to any of them all over Nigeria. And those that have one business or the other, call non-resident company to do in Nigeria. Then the legal framework. What is the legal framework of Nigerian Tax Act? From the commencement of this act, the following enactments are repealed, nulled, cancelled, make void, invalidate. We are invalidating some enactments, which is making the Nigerian tax to be so wide and broad and confusing. So the NTA will repeal, will cancel some of them, and some of them will be unified as one tax. So the first one that is cancelled, that is repealed in the section 196 of NTA is Capital Gain Tax Act. We have Capital Gain Tax Act. It's one of the different tax laws that are scattered here and there. Law of the Federation Republic of Nigeria. So this one is cancelled. Although we still have capital gain tax, but we don't have this act again. So this act is being nullified, and it will be embedded in the Nigerian Tax Act as one tax law. So number one, the Capital Gain Tax Act, Cap C 1, Law of the Federation of Nigeria 2024, 2004 is now repealed, is cancelled. The second one is Casino Act, Cap C3, Laws of the Federation of Nigeria 2004. Casino, those that are doing betting. So this one is cancelled. We still have it for betting, but this act is cancelled 2004. Imagine we are in 2025 and this law is 2004. How many years ago? Roughly 21, 22 years ago. It is back then. So it may not conform to the reality of what we have. Then another one is Company Income Tax Act, Cap C 21, Laws of the Federation of Nigeria 2004. So this one is cancelled. We still have company income tax, right? But this law on its own is cancelled. So everything is now in the Nigerian Tax Act as one law. Then we have Deep Offshore and Inland Basin Act, Cap D3, Laws of the Federation of Nigeria 2004. repealed, cancelled. Then number 5, Industrial Development Income Tax Relief Act cap 117, laws of the Federation of Nigeria 2004 is cancelled. We have Income Tax Authorized Communications Act cap I4, laws of the Federation of Nigeria 2004 repealed, cancelled. Number 7, Personal Income Tax Act cap P8, laws of the Federation of Nigeria 2004 cancelled. Number 8, Petroleum Profit Tax Act cap PI3, laws of the Federation of Nigeria 2004 cancelled.